On hearing the first birdsong, you're excited by the thought of the dawning day. You immediately feel driven by an inexplicable force. You still feel the same sense of excitement as when you set off with your binoculars for the very first time. It's the uncertainty you enjoy, thinking about what the day ahead will bring. And you don't only get a thrill from observing birds, but also from sharing and discussing your observations with others. Passion drives you ever onwards and upwards. You set off on your journey with the urge to observe new things. You want to understand everything you see and get a broad view from every angle, while constantly fueling your spirit of discovery. Every time you take a close look, you always discover real new wonders that you can't take your eyes off. You walk in the footsteps of those who share your fascination. But you must follow your own path. You can set your sights higher, broaden your horizons, and fully indulge in your passion. You follow nature's call, the migration of birds, and set off on the journey of a lifetime. Wherever you go next, you'll bring with you the experience and wealth of knowledge that you have acquired. You bump into old acquaintances and see them in a totally new light. But you never know what new acquaintances you're going to make. The overwhelming abundance and diversity of nature are the source of your interest, but you are driven by your passion. Every single moment is unique and worthy of observation. Your reliable equipment allows you to capture every detail. This journey also has plenty of stop-offs, but never ends. Your quest continues.